Hello from Slovenia again. As I promised in my last video when I did this split cup pour with metallic paints and black, I will do another one. This is 12 by 16-inch canvas, but I will layer my paints into the split cup differently. So if you want to see how I layered them, which order I layered them for this painting, I will put the link into the description box and in cards. And I believe that there will be a difference. So I want to do a triptych. 3 paintings. This is the first one today. I will do the second one and then the third one with different layering or order to put in the split cup because it does make a difference. So this one is almost 100% dry. It's dry, you know, but I don't want to touch it. I just hope that you see the shimmer, the beauty. Maybe on this camera will show more. See, it's just a second. I will remove this to show you, because on this camera probably it will show more of a shimmer. See, it's just gorgeously beautiful. I really love it. Maybe this bronze, it is a little different that I thought that it will be a little darker, but still it's beautiful. So let's put this one aside and go to today's pour. You know, with the split cups, it is not important, but it does make a difference, very big difference, how you layer your paints into the cup. So I will pour black first, because I believe that what you pour on the outside chambers you will see the most. So I want a little more black, but I'm a little afraid that I will not get those beautiful 3D look, because there will be a black on the outside, but we will see. And next one was silver, and this is the bronze. I'm using 6-chamber cup from Paint Pour store. I really love those cups because they clean really well and they have a handle. It's easier for me to pour because they have a handle, because you know, when you are at certain age your hands start to shake a little bit, and mine definitely do. So it was black, silver, bronze, gold, iridescent, pearl and copper. Okay, so I will just remove my cups to have a place to spin and everything. you can see, it is quite a difference. So let me pour some black around. I already spoke about that. This will be my flow extender because I don't want to lose patterns that are not similar, that I like. So I want to have a flow extender that I can play with my composition and don't lose the parts that I don't like. And my paint is the same consistency for this. It's not thinner because I don't want some weird cells popping through or something. That's why I'm using the same consistency, the same mixture, because if you use the thinner consistency for this, you can get some reaction, you know, because of the density of the paint. But it's up to you, you know. This is just how I prefer. Okay, this part is done. I just think that my canvas is not leveled. Okay, I will tilt it anyway, and I will grab some cardboard, just a cardboard, you know, from canvases that you got just to catch. So let's tilt to this corner first. I will try to keep the pattern that I like. Okay, and the back, and remove. I will work on the sides and the corners later because probably I will tilt it more afterwards. First, I just want to tilt to cover my canvas, and then I will work on the composition if needed. Maybe it will be just okay like it is, I don't know. We will see. Let's walk to this side. That part, because I like it. And as you can already see, it is more black and more copper, because those were the colors that were on the outside chambers, or how can I say. Okay, I want to keep that. So I basically covered my canvas, and maybe it will be just okay like it is. I will just tilt a little bit. This part here. To stretch the lines a little more. Check the sides. They are covered. They are. Just one spot here that needs a little paint. And I believe that I will just leave it like it is. Kind of want to stretch a little more of these lines, but let's try. You know, if you go and this part maybe, but sometimes it's tricky, you know, because you can lose some other pattern that you like if you want to stretch one part out. Okay, let's go back. Definitely much more of the copper and the black. Maybe I will just try to walk and tilt just a little bit of that black there off. Just a little too much, maybe for my taste. Okay, now I will go back. And I'm kind of walking, not just tilting it down, you know, because I want those lines to straighten up a little bit. If they will. Okay. Now I will stop. Oh, I like this one too. So definitely they will be different, but because they are done with the same colors, I believe that they will make a beautiful triptych. Love it. Love, love, love it. It's different than the first one, but we want to have that to see the difference. And maybe I did pour a little bit differently because, you know, it's hard to duplicate a pour, almost impossible, I will say. And maybe I did a little different wandering around because the first one has more, but that's how it is, you know. With this split cup you basically draw with your split cup, and when you see the lines and the pattern that your split cup creates, you go with your guts, or how can I say, I just try to follow my feeling with that. So I didn't have in my head that I have to replicate the previous one. I just want to show you that there will be a difference, you know, with colors that are more dominant. Here is a lot more of a copper than the and black than on the previous one. So let me clean this and bring both to each other, one on beside to each other, and then we will do a close-up. So here are the first two. Of course, this one is dry, the first one, and it has a shimmer already. And this one is still wet, but you see the difference. A lot more copper and the black, because black and copper were on the outside, in the outside chambers. Maybe I should turn them around, but I will not bother now because just want to show you the difference. But some amazing details, and I love it. I love this one too. I love both of them. I love the black lines and how it goes here. I kind of lost here. Here I lost more of the copper, a lot of the copper, and here I lost a lot of the pearl, I think, because you see here it is kind of a lot of pearl and this is silver. I know that they look similar, but they are not, because you see silver is different than this white. So I can't wait to see to do the third one and switch the order again, and at the end of the next third one I will show you the dry result of all three of them. Of course they don't need to be a triptych, maybe they will look totally not okay for hang them together, but I believe that because they have the same colors they should look nice together, but we will see. So if you want to see, check my next video. See you there. Bye.